So the first thing I do is plug in my Aura Ring charger and check out what my Aura Ring results are from last night. The light appeared pretty fast. I'm gonna stay in bed for like a few more seconds. So the first thing I do is I oil pull. This is gonna sound really weird to a lot of you, but what you do is just put a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons into your mouth and swish that coconut oil around for about 20 minutes, which sounds insane, but people swear by this stuff. It cleans your teeth. It also helps like get rid of that plaque buildup. I think it's just to have good oral hygiene overall. I don't really brush my teeth in the morning. I just do this, but I only do it for a few minutes. I can't do it for 20 minutes, but I'll do it for like 15 because yeah, it ends up like building up. At this point, I don't even think Matt can do this anymore. It's really good. I recommend it at least to try. Don't swallow it. Whatever you do, don't swallow it.
Gross.
It's a little bit weird, but I think the benefits outweigh the disgustingness of it. You'll get used to it, okay? Spit it out as much as you can. Or rinse your mouth. After oil pulling, I like to have a big glass of water with some juiceless lemon. This one's from all night. I thought you used it this morning.
Nope.
Yippee! Oh, whoops. Okay, well that's why it's juiceless. A little bit of Celtic salt, or Celtic, whatever. Doesn't matter. It's all the same. So this helps wake me up in the morning. All adrenal glands and all. You just chug it. If it's not lime, it's apple cider vinegar with salt. It's good. I love salt. We're going to meditate for a few minutes. Okay, time lapse this shit. So the reason we meditate is to start off our day in this calm mode. I didn't start doing this until a month ago, I think, and it's really helped because I get really cranky sometimes and I'll just like go crazy on Matt a little bit. Meditation really helps. Matt, why do you meditate?
Increased BDNF in the brain, which allows for new neuronal connections, and on a personal level, it's just to be more present, really just feel what you're feeling and see what you're doing, so you're not just mindlessly going through your day. So getting more into the present and just feeling the way you're breathing, feeling the way my feet feel on the ground right now, and feel how funny it feels to be talking into a camera, and just not going through the motions just on autopilot. So, you know, just do the thing you're doing.
Do you think it's really helped you?
Yeah, for sure. I want to do it more and more. I mean, I still want to work up even longer and, you know, more frequent and stuff like that. Are we gonna make coffee?
Yeah.
Francis, just speed up all of this, like hyper relax it.
Get some water from our very live water. Turn it up. Turn it up. I don't know, I'll just record everything and see how...
No, what do you want in the coffee?
Oh. Set the timer.
4 minutes.
Wow, that's so beautiful. Little Sheila sheep. Don't smell this mud stuff. It
No,
smells
this one
like...
smells fine.
No, that one smells like fish food.
The cordyceps. Smells terrible.
Is that the fish food smell?
Yeah.
It doesn't smell terrible. It just smells like fish
the smell
food.
of
Okay, I'm
the
sorry.
Cordyceps. You know what? Well, reishi smells awesome.
Bang, 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 bang. I'm on mine. Oh. Did you see that foam? Ah! Looks beautiful.
Oh, whatever for it's gonna open. My krill opened because it's been there so long. That's what happens when you try to film me doing that. And I felt like the inside of the capsule. Like I felt like the edge, and I was like, what is that? And I felt like liquid.
You don't know by now, we are taking our supplements. So this is our hand supplements. We take it with our bulletproof coffee because you're supposed to take it with food. We take krill oil, and that's the one that exploded in his mouth.
I hate it when that happens.
Krill oil is a fish, and it's disgusting. So
Fish? It's like a...
well, it's like a plankton, like
like a
under the
shrimp.
sea. There you go, shrimp.
I am one in a trillion.
Like this, I could feel like the inner, like, the
That
edge,
liquid
and then I was just
stuff.
like, why do I feel that? And then
Anyway, we're so used to taking sups, this many at once. It took me a while to learn, but I will do this now.
Is this enough water?
Don't make me laugh. All good.
Coffee.
Coffee. You missed it. That was actually really good. Okay, now it's journaling time. Journaling helps me write all my thoughts and feelings down. Talk bad about your husband, you know, whenever you need to. You know, because he didn't take out the trash when you told him to.
Because you do so much.
I'm gonna write about how I feel about that. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with Friday. In all realness though, journaling has helped us both a lot.
Good way to just, yeah, makes my head look funny one. It's a good way to just get all the thoughts out of your head. That's the best way to explain it. Just so like, there's so much background chatter in your head and you don't even know what you're thinking about necessarily. So just like free form, a couple pages, just writing whatever you think. And it kind of makes you realize like what you're thinking about that you didn't even realize you were thinking about.
And you can draw pictures, write poems, do whatever you want to do. I like to do that.
Last night, I farted and it smelled really bad.
Dear Diary, Matt farted last night and it was really bad. Oops. And now we just lay down and enjoy the rest of our day.
Good work today.
I know, it was so hard. Just kidding. Thanks for watching our morning routine 2019. Because last year's it probably looked a lot different. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll try to answer them as much as I can. And what?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, please, if you heard that. And if you didn't, subscribe anyway. All right, see you next time.
Leave comments too.
Oops.